Guys, 2017 Infiniti Q50 3.0 liter turbo, because it's got that T. What we got done on it, factory converter there, second factory converter there. Then we took that assembly out over there. I'll show it to you guys in a second. You see it right there? There's my finger. And put an X pipe in its place and ran true duals after that all the way back, straight pipe. Did a muffler delete earlier in the year on it and brought it back. And we took this contraption out, give it a little bit more tone, a little bit more sound, let it flow better, because it's a true flow X pipe compared to this setup that was on it. This took a lot of the power away. So we opened it up. You guys can see, like, it's not even an inch there in flow. So now compare that to the true flow of the X pipe there now. You see that, guys? A lot better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Already sounds different. Give a guess. Better? Yes? No? Maybe? Yeah. See the X pipe? It's like 2 volts. They hit, and it takes the rasp away. Go ahead. It's a lot cleaner. Here's sound decibels. And it is twin turbo, guys. Sorry, but it is definitely twin turbo. Again, much better. Go ahead and back it out. That's a lot cleaner. You can hear the turbo. Let you guys hear on the inside. Infiniti Q50 all-wheel drive twin turbo. We just did a muffler resonator delete and an X pipe install. Let you guys hear it when they get on it. Oh, yeah. That sounds really nice.